Hey guys, today is an exciting day. It's Saturday, it's beautiful, the weather is awesome, and we're gonna find out if this engine is seized or if it can be saved. Stay tuned. All right, it's the moment of truth. What do you think's gonna happen? I don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh, I think that. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Yes. Yes, that's so cool. Oh man. That, oh my God, that just made my freaking year right there. Oh, I can't believe it. Man, that is so cool. Wow. Look at that belt. Man, that's amazing. Look at that belt. The belt is peeling off as we're turning. See that? It's just peeling right off, and the other part of it's down in here. Oh, that's awesome. I love that, man. That's so cool. Well, I think we know what's next. If this was Musty, what would he do? Alright, so we're gonna obviously have to get power to the starter and see if we can turn it over, and then look for spark and all that. Obviously we're missing the cable that goes from the distributor cap to the coil, so we'll need to get that on there. And I'm sure the points are dirty, but who knows? Let's see what happens. All right, I got the battery hooked up. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Let's go underneath and jump the starter. See if that'll do anything. Well, something's spinning. All right, let's try it again from the inside. Did it turn over? Oh my God. All right, let's try it again. Yes, that is awesome. Oh man, let's check the oil. Look at that belt. Okay, we're gonna need a new belt. Yeah, we need a new belt, guys. There it goes. The belt is gone. The belt is gone. Wow. I just so happen to have another one that I bought a while ago. I think it'll fit. And this came with a spare. I don't want to use it though. I got a new one that I should fit on here. Let's check the oil. Wow, the oil actually looks pretty damn good. Wow. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's turning over. That's awesome. Obviously, we're not going to get any spark without this little baby on here. And there's no, I'm assuming there's no gas, so, man. Another milestone for sure. Amazing. It's pretty cool. Alright, so what's next? Gotta get a belt and see if we can get the get some spark going. Well, let's put some fuel in it and see what happens. Well, this thing just is one awesome moment after another. I'm sure you saw that. If you didn't, it has spark. We have spark, so that's a good thing. So what now? We just need fuel. We can get some fuel down in there. Very, very, very exciting. Alright guys, we have spark. We have a new belt. We've cleaned the points. Seems like this baby's gonna want to start. What do you think? Let's put some fuel in it. If I can get over there. Oh yeah. She's thirsty. What do you think? Let's try that and see what happens. On. Yeah. Man, I need somebody else back here holding the throttle. man. Man, that oil looks pretty good. Look how clean that stick is. There's no rust on it. Wow. It's crazy. Man, I can't believe how good it runs. So we need to get fuel in there. What are the possibilities? How likely is it that we can pour some gas in the tank and that it would actually pump it through here? Let's find out. Ooh, she's a little crispy. Oh wow. I don't know, what do you guys think? Looks like we got a little bit of a nest there. Oh. Some kind of a mud wasp. Look at that. Let's see if we can see in there. Guys, I'm not seeing any rust. I can't believe it. Oh my God. Wow. Let's put some gas in there and see what happens. Holy crap. Looks brand new in there. I've been using a gas and oil mix just to give the pistons a little bit of juice, a little oil. I'm not expecting this to work, but man, I haven't expected anything on this thing to work, and it has, so let's see what happens. This has got, this is just regular gas. Let me fill this up and see what happens. Well, we got a little bit of a leak, so I gotta try to get that fixed. But man, the gas tank looked good. Let me get this cleaned up. Okay, so there's the old hose. Got that off and got a new piece on. And put about a gallon of oil with gas mixture in the tank. Let's see if we can get some to pop out of here. Alright, so I went and dug around and found some more fuel line, which is good. This is what was on there. And I found another clear piece, which is cool because I actually want to see it come out. We're gonna drain some of this. We're gonna let it pump through a little bit and get some of the crud out. Then we'll put a filter on it and see if we can get it to run off the tank. Oh wow. It's looking pretty good.